Okay, so like this. So let's just run like a simple test. Okay, we're running with a 64 micro stepping, and we tell it like do 2 waves. Okay, and so it's doing like a test, and it's presenting here like the 2 waves. There is a repeating like of the wave. Here it's only showing like fourth of a wave. So now I'm saying okay, like the orange one, it's like the calculated what it needed to move, and the blue one, it's what the encoder measured, and the pink one, it's like what the registered value holds. So like it show like very close measurement, and here you can see like the difference between like it's okay, it's how to see. There is like the line here again with the orange one, it's the calculated, okay, the calculated, and the pink one here, it's kind of the average. Okay, the blue one, it's the encoder, what it's measured. So like it's did a step and it's measured, okay, I'm supposed to be here like in point 0.0, I don't know, 28, something like this, and it measure actually like okay here and then here and here and here. So it jumped like around this, and then it calculated like in pink like the average of all these readings together. But you can still see like by how much it's missed the point that it should get into. So if you want to maybe configure saying okay, this is like a quarter of the wave, because I can see like that it's kind of repeating itself again and again and again in the same pattern, which is logical. So I'm kind of okay, I want to around here like maybe lower this down, so I will go okay, I will show in a second. Okay, here like just a second. Okay, here like I'm moving the red one like to the position which I wanted to change. So let's say I'm here, this is like in this position, it's showing that it's giving like a +2, like of the it's more complex than that though, of how much power it's getting. So it's either +2 or +1. So here like it's +1 and one +1 and then +2. So I can, if for me here it's high, so I can lower it to 1. I will write it to the driver, and then we'll test again if it's changed like in this graph here. So, and overall all of that, you also can change the way the driver is configured, this like region of this plus. There are 4 regions here. Okay, it's the W0, W1, 2 and 3, and it's shown here by the green vertical line, and you can control the placement of it. Like okay, we will go to X2 and we will move it from 181 okay a bit to here. So we say okay, X1 from X2 we got the W2 region, it will be a 0 to +1 or +0, and then you can configure what kind of like amplification you will get to the stepper motor, and that's it. And then let's okay, we just changed something randomly, so I don't know what the effect will be, but let's just, I don't know, write it. Okay, it's got like the beep, if you can hear it, that it write it to the driver, and then you can do another test. And okay, you got like something changed. I think this area here, maybe like you can see it repeating, maybe where we touched it, and that's like generally how you control like the wave itself that the controller produce, like in a very, like, you can't control like each step by its own, but relative to one another will increase more or less. and then maybe you, and the idea is to get the blue line that I encoder measure closer to the orange line, and also to see how it is in the beginning and to how it is in the end, and to get some idea of how this stepper, to benchmark it, how it is like with this driver and everything.